Hello everyone, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and my big squad mentor box is here, and I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside. I'm probably gonna have to take everything out and pull it because this box is huge. So I'm like, look, this is my desk down here. So I don't think I have room to show you guys what's inside. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys, and then I'll do flip throughs separately. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm so excited to get into this. You guys, there's so much in this box, I didn't even know where to start, so I just grabbed a pile, and this is all new Disney stuff. Okay, you guys ready? I know you already see. Look, there are new discs. These are princess discs. They're medium discs with the glitter and the little crowns cut out. How cool is that? And so there's those, and then there's pink ones, and then mini discs with her bow in red. I mean, who doesn't love red discs? Come on. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a pen case that snaps in with some gold Mickeys. This is, oh, and there's Minnie. So cute. Mickeys and Minnies alternating. Totally cute. Ooh, vinyl stickers that can go on your water bottles or laptop or anywhere. These are, it says they're waterproof, peel and stick, scratch resistant. Awesome. And they've got some foil to them, so we'll look through those later. And, ooh, a princess. Okay, I don't want to flip through it. We'll look through it later, but it's a color block 12-month planner. It's undated, so an undated 12-month planner. My fave, plastic envelopes. Oh my gosh, that mini's cute. I love plastic envelopes. Okay, we've got some filler paper with the princesses. I see Tiana under there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Belle. Why am I blanking out on her name? And Tiana and Ariel. What is her name? Oh my gosh. I know I'll remember later. Oh, it's going to drive me crazy. Ugh. Okay. And then I've got, you're probably screaming, like, it's whatever. Okay. This is a dry erase board. Oh, and it's got Jasmine. It's like a daily. This is really cool. You could do a lot with that. Okay. And then, yellow paper with Mickey. So cool. And then this is a dashboard layout planner with the gold sparkle discs. Check that out. And this is a goals and positivity journal. Oh my gosh, how cute. All right. Let's grab another stack. Okay, here is more fun stuff. This right here immediately caught my eye. I'm like, what? So it's like a faux leather pouch that can go, around your happy planner. And it looks like it's got a card slot and pen slots. And then it opens up with the pink inside. This pooch is so cute with the leopard print and the pink. I am excited to use this one. Okay. And it looks like we've got some more sticker storage. I love this neutral floral. It's really pretty and really versatile. So I am excited to add this to my sticker storage collection. Okay. And then we've got dashboard stickers. I'm going to have to figure, this is cool. It's got these little tabs that you can like stick the sticker sheets on to hold them. That's interesting. Let's scope that out. And these are daily, hourly schedules. Oh, wow, those are really cool. And then blank dot grid on the back. And I love the colors. Okay, and this is all fitness, wellness type stuff that I'm really excited about. Well, actually, first, let me show you this. What? These are discs without any cutouts, which is super cool. They're really versatile. I'm excited about these too. They just have a different look. So those are really cool. Okay, so now I've got, these are all undated planners. So this is a fitness undated mini. which I'm excited to look into a little more. And then this is a fitness planner. This is a fitness journal. Look at that foil. It's so pretty. It's that rainbow foil. This is a planner companion, and it's for meal plan. So it's got a bunch of fun stuff in there. And this is a weekly grocery planning, or grocery list, and then meal planning. So I'm excited to use those as well. And okay, now for everybody's favorite part, stickers. I'm really excited about this one. This is, you're like, why? It's just a pink corksicle. But you guys, it's a Happy Planner corksicle water bottle. So cool. So you can use all of the different vinyl stickers, like the Disney ones. And there are also other ones coming out that you can put on your water bottle. So this is going to be so much fun. I love it. Okay, we all love our Happy Planner stickers. So here are the ones that they sent me, and I'm really excited. This is it kind of looks like colorful boxes, but the Disney Princess colorful boxes. So cool. And again, I'll do flip throughs of these separately. And these are larger stickers, so really big sized princess stickers. And then, oh my gosh, the classic Mickey large stickers, some really big icons, and I'm excited about those. I love the colors on this. This is Biz Babe, and I'm sure you've seen some of these because I believe some people have already gotten some of these, and they're really, really pretty. I'll do a flip through separately. This is the new fitness stickers, which is something I'm excited to work on for next year. And caregiver. These are really awesome, and I think there's so much in here that we can use whether you're a caregiver or not, so I'll go into that later. And then, hello, I love these because you know I'm obsessed with Kristen's writing, so it's her writing and colorful boxes mixed together. I mean, perfection. So we've got those, and I'm so excited. All of this launches in December for the December launch, so I'll put more details on where everything's going to be available, as well as links in the bio below. Well, not bio, in the description. So anyways, thank you so much for watching me unbox all this stuff, and I'll do flip throughs later. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and like and subscribe for more videos from me. Thanks so much, and have yourself a great week.